Stuck phase is basically, para sa akin, it's staying in your comfort zone for way too long. It's being afraid to step out of your comfort zone because mas gusto mong magstay sa nakasanayan mo na, sa alam mo na, sa praktisado mo na, sa realidad mo na. So, for me, yun ang meaning ng stuck phase. And hindi nga siya stuck na dahil you're forced to be stuck eh. The thing about being in a stuck phase is that you can actually get out of the stuck phase. It's just there are some things that we take into consideration, and there are some things in our lives that holds us back from moving forward or growing. Because wala, such as realities of life. Life is always happening. Ang daming nangyari sa mga buhay natin, ang daming circumstances na hindi natin mapalitan or hindi tayo makaalis or takot tayo. For me, yun ang malalaking factor as to why maraming tao ang nasa stuck dito.
If you guys want to watch the full episode, just check us out on Spotify and my YouTube channel.